Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make tandoori chicken. For this recipe we're going to need one large sized lemon or a third of a cup of lemon juice. If you don't have a fresh lemon, we will need half an onion, half a garlic, 1.5 inches of fresh ginger, 1 green chili, and 1.5 to 2 cups of yogurt. We'll also be needing 6 to 7 green cardamoms, 1 medium-sized nutmeg, 1.5 inch of cinnamon, 3/4 of a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin seed, and 5 to 6 cloves. In addition to all that, we will also need some dark red food color. We're going to start off by cutting our onion and garlic into blendable pieces. After that, we're going to add all our spices, so our cardamom, the nutmeg, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin seed, and cloves into the grinder, and we're going to grind it until it's a nice fine powder. To that, we're going to add our garlic, our ginger, and our onion, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and then we're going to blend it all together so it becomes a nice fine paste. Because we're blending the yogurt, it will become quite watery, so we won't be using all of the yogurt. That's one of the reasons we don't use all of the yogurt. And then we're going to run the paste that we've made through a sieve. To that, we're going to add half a teaspoon to 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then we will add the rest of the remaining yogurt. The yogurt that we've used is Greek style yogurt, but you can use natural yogurt. We're going to squeeze half a lemon, and this should make about half a cup. To that, we're going to add the other half teaspoon that we had of salt and the red food color. We'll mix it and place that aside. Now to our chicken. We've got about 1 kilo of chicken, and we're going to cut slices into the chicken. We're not going to make slices of the chicken, we'll just cut slices into the chicken so that the marinade and the spices and the masala can really goes all the way through. We're going to pour our lemon and salt over the chicken, and we will mix it and let it sit in the fridge for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Once it's marinated for half an hour to 45 minutes, we'll just put the chicken into the yogurt paste that we made and mix it, and we're going to leave this in the yogurt overnight so that it can absorb all the flavors. We'll put the chicken in a oven-proof dish. We're going to bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. The time will vary because some yogurts and chicken release different amounts of water, some a lot, some not so much. So just keep an eye on the chicken, and once it starts to go red and you notice the masala, the sauce is starting to dry, then just flip the chicken over and just cook it until it's browned up a little bit on the edges. And once that's done, your chicken is ready to eat. If you would like to barbecue it, that's also an option. Just add oil to the marinade and you'll be ready to barbecue. We hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. For questions or comments, we can be contacted on the Bajias Cooking Facebook page. Good luck and thanks for watching.